Homemade lemon pepper chicken is a delicious and flavorful dish that you can prepare on the grill or bake in the oven. I'll provide you with instructions for both methods. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Homemade lemon pepper chicken is a delicious and flavorful dish that you can prepare on the grill or bake in the oven. I'll provide you with instructions for both methods. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: for the lemon pepper seasoning, 2 tablespoons freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons lemon zest, from 2 to 3 lemons, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of herbes de Provence, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. For the chicken, for boneless, skinless chicken breasts, chicken thighs, or your favorite cut of chicken, 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, lemon wedges and fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the lemon pepper seasoning. In a small bowl, combine the freshly ground black pepper, lemon zest, herbes de Provence, chili powder, dry thyme, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Mix well. This will be your lemon pepper seasoning. 2. Marinate the chicken. Place the chicken in a large bowl or resealable plastic bag. Drizzle the chicken with olive oil and fresh lemon juice. Use enough to coat the chicken evenly. Sprinkle the lemon pepper seasoning over the chicken, making sure to coat all sides. Massage the seasoning into the chicken, ensuring it's well coated. Seal the bag or cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to marinate. For more flavor, you can marinate it for a few hours or overnight. 3. Grilling method. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, about 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 to 230 degrees Celsius. Clean and oil the grill grates to prevent sticking. Grill the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius and has beautiful grill marks. The exact cooking time may vary based on the thickness of the chicken, so use a meat thermometer to ensure doneness. 4. Baking method. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Place the chicken in a baking dish or on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius. The cooking time may vary based on the thickness of the chicken, so use a meat thermometer to be sure. 5. Rest and serve. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the grill or oven and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Garnish with lemon wedges and fresh parsley, if desired. Serve your homemade lemon pepper chicken with your favorite side dishes like rice, vegetables, or a fresh salad. Enjoy your flavorful and zesty meal. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with hashtag Oscar Island Style on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island style.